The KB generation skill setup provides a guided configuration experience that helps streamline how knowledge articles are generated from case data. To begin, navigate to All, Now Assist Admin, and select Skills. From here, select the customer workflow and choose CSM as the product. Activate the KB generation skill to launch the guided setup. Each skill setup includes multiple steps. A check mark next to each step indicates whether it's complete, partially complete, or still needs attention. After configuring a step, select Save and continue to move forward. To revisit a previous step, select Back. The Select Display step determines where the KB generation skill appears. In Product Desktop displays the skill on Forms and Workspaces. You can add or remove the roles that will have access to the skill. Now Assist panel generates knowledge articles directly in the Now Assist panel and add to related tasks. You can add or remove the roles that will have access to the skill. Select Save and Continue in the Review and Activate page. Look over your choices and select Activate to complete the knowledge generation skill configuration. The knowledge generation skill is now active in your environment. Select Return to CSM to go back to the Now Assist for CSM Skills page to verify that the KB generation skill is working. Use the KB generation skill to automate article creation and improve knowledge delivery across your instance.